YouTube artist. It's Emily at Art with Albright. Woohoo! Well, in this lesson, we're going to draw some marshmallows. I just thought that would be fun. Why not, right? Let's have some fun. It's a sweet lesson, let's just call it that. Okay, we're going to start with this little guy over here. And what is his friend laughing about? Let's do it. So I am ready with my pencil. Any pencil will do. I use my mechanical pencil. As always, YouTubers, you know I like my 0.9. Grab a stump and get yourself a good white eraser. Okay, you ready? My paper is just normal paper. This is a little special little piece of cardstock. No big deal. You ready? You ready? You ready? Great. Thumbs up, my YouTube artists. Excellent. If you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit it. Smash, smash, smash. Go. Yeah. So put your finger right where you want your marshmallow. Just put your finger down there. We're going to put a dot on the right and a dot on the left. Let's make sure it's a good size marshmallow. We don't want a teeny tiny marshmallow. We don't want those ginormous marshmallows either. Have you seen the really big ones? Oh yeah, my daughter's the connoisseur of marshmallows. So in order to make a foreshortened circle, when we draw, wait a minute, let me tell you one thing. Hold up a second. Remember to draw real light when we start drawing in our characters, okay? So draw as light as you can. Touch one dot, go to the other dot. Mine's a little wonky looking. What do you think? I'm okay with it. It's a sweet lesson. That's what I'm saying. And then the other one, come down. Don't make it a big old circle, okay? We're not drawing a circle. We're drawing a foreshortened circle. That means the illusion, okay, that one side is closer to us than the other. Got it? You're good. You are awesome sauce. Excellent, excellent. Oh wait, I must ask you a question. Have you drawn any other of my videos? Maybe some of the animals or some of the other food that we like to draw together? We have so much fun drawing together, my YouTube buddies, that I will be making more videos with you. Okay, so 2 lines coming down, curve at the bottom. Curve, curve, curve. Don't go straight across or you will have a box for a marshmallow, not a rounded, yummy, delicious marshmallow. Okay, am I making you hungry yet? No? Okay, hold on. We'll keep trying. So with this marshmallow, let's get rid of the dots. Get rid of the dots on the side, and let's get a little bit of this front line off. Okay, can you do that? Real quick, grab your eraser. I like my little tiny eraser at the end. It gets in all my nook and crannies. Nook and crannies. Can you say nook and crannies? That's so much fun. There we go. 1 marshmallow. That was easy, guys. I challenge you to draw like 200 marshmallows. Are you really going to do that? You're like, yeah, whatever, Miss. I'm like, that is not going to happen. Now I'm going to draw my second marshmallow buddy over here, doing 1 dot on the left, 1 on the right. Try to get them about the same size. You know, every marshmallow is a personality all on its own, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to curve up, drawing real light and loose, and touch down, right? Good. Then we're going to come right back around. Swoosh. We just did it. Love it. Now let's pull these 2 lines down. This one's just going to be a tad different than this one. How is that? Because there's a big chunk bitten out of it. Did you get hungry while we were drawing? Did you get hungry? I know, sometimes we talk about food. Sometimes we even draw food. Have you drawn my Happy Meal with me? Hello, that was so funny. That was funny. I'm just telling you, we have way too much fun when we draw. We draw french fries, we draw pizza dudes. Check out my keepdrawing.com. That's a great place to keep drawing even more than what is here on YouTube. Okay, you got it? Wonderful. Now over here, we're going to put a big old bite in this. So let's just erase this side over here. Are you keeping up with me? Did you pause? Did you pause while I just keep drawing? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Now on this, I'm going to look like I took a bite out of it. So just wiggle your pencil all the way down. Do you like marshmallows? Oh, my daughter, she eats a marshmallow for every reason. Then come behind it, and we're going to just do another line, but further back. So there you go. You've got that big old chunk bitten out of it. Yeah, that's funny. So let's go over here and put a smile on this guy's face. We're going to have him looking at this dude over here, or dudette. I don't know if that's a good word to call, but we're going to just go with it. We're going to put a nice big circle. Notice how I just did it real light until I really like that shape. That is a great way to practice. Okay, practice, practice, practice. The more you draw, the more confident you become, the more you're going to like your drawings, okay? I know as artists, we're always hardest on ourselves. So don't be so hard on yourself. Keep drawing and love it, okay? Show your friends, show me, put it down there that you're drawing, okay? Find me on Pinterest, put it up on Pinterest. Find me on social media, you know, at Art with Albright. Okay, I'm all over the place. So you find somewhere to show me your art, and I would be thrilled to see it. So here we go. We got two eyes with our reflective dots. We're going to have a little half grin here. Put that there. Put his little half grin. What is he chewing? What is he chewing? Right under that eye, I'm going to put the letter C. Put that letter C. It looks like his cheek is full of something. What could that be, we have to say? Well, this guy over here, he is just laughing so hard. When you laugh so hard, are your eyes open or closed? I think mine are closed because I'm holding back the tears that I'm laughing so hard. So put two little curved lines, go over them a few times, making them real dark. Got that? Now let's put a big giant letter U. Whoa, that's a big letter U. What are we going to do with that? Well, let's add a little curved line, close that off. Okay, and then let's see here. We are looking at him from this direction, so I'm going to put thickness over here. Give a little line of thickness over here. Good. Now let's put a tongue in there. Put the letter M in there. Can you put the letter M in there? That will be his tongue. Then let's just shade that back area in. So my YouTube buddies, what kind of videos are you drawing? Are you using pencil? Are you using marker when we draw? I would love to see you just draw with pencil and build your confidence. Okay, building your confidence. You can go back with your markers. You can go back with your colored pencil when we're all finished, and building your confidence. Okay, that's what it's all about when you are learning to draw. But the more you draw, the better you become, right? So even if they're silly marshmallows, it helps build those muscles and that remembrance for your hands. Okay, my hands have memory muscles in them, so they need to remember. So I'm going to shade the tops of my marshmallows. You see how I'm doing that? Opposite my light source. So when I'm at my desk, my light source usually is on the right side, peering down down this direction. So all my shadows come toward the left, right? Left, right? I confuse myself. I don't know. And then the anchor shadow or the cast shadow comes down behind my object because he's looking toward my light source. I'm giving my audience an imaginary light source. Wow, this is so much fun. You guys should be really impressed. Wesley, my dog, is in the room and he's being extremely quiet for you. I think he wants a bone for a treat. What do you think? Have you ever been in one of my live classes and heard my sweetheart Wesley? He's a Great Pyrenees. What kind of dog do you have? I have all kinds of dogs on my YouTube channel that I've drawn with you guys. Have I drawn your type of dog yet? And my foster dogs are blue heelers, so I need to get busy drawing blue heeler dogs. So there we've had an opportunity to shade. I want to put my marshmallows on the table. So I'm going to give that horizon line, giving my eyes a reference to where this is on the page. I get talking about my dogs and my foster dogs, and I get a little tongue-tied and happy. So there we go, you guys. That was the sweetest lesson we've ever had. Yeah, well, we've done a couple sweeter. Monster Hugs a lot on Valentine's. Now, he was all about candy and sweetness. What do you say? Have you tried Mr. Monster Hugs a lot? He's really cool. Well, thanks for drawing with me. You want to keep drawing.com. Visit me on the web. See you guys. Take it easy.